The first time I met my wife, Marianne, well, we were still very young then. We were small kids. We were in grade school actually. Siya ay nandun sa kabilang class. Ako naman dun sa unang klase. She was someone you look up to as exceptional.
I'll keep believing for you, 'cause my heart is beating for you. No matter what we'll go through, I'll keep on breathing for you.
Itong mga classmates namin, mga, anong tawag nun? Yung, uy, mga ganun. Yung pinag-match na kami.
Hindi very formal yung namin. Parang na-develop lang yung feeling namin for each other. Without the fanfare of or formal proposal.
Parang ako yung one-man woman lang. So siya, wala nang iba kahit na maraming suitors, admirers. Parang siya lang talaga.
I'll keep believing for you, 'cause my heart is beating for you. No matter what we'll go through, I'll keep on breathing for you.
With the guidance of the Almighty God, talagang andyan yung love na hindi dapat magla-love ka pa ng iba. Talagang isa lang dapat kasi commitment mo yan to be as one.
'Cause hon, I would die if it meant you'd be alright. I would carry all those burdens for you.
Congratulations on your 50th, your golden wedding anniversary.
Hope you guys love each other for another 50 years.
50 more years, I guess. So I love you guys.
Go through, I'll keep on breathing for you.
Jerry, ano nagustuhan mo naman kay Mary Ann? Bakit mo naman siya niligawan?
Well, masarap siyang ngumiti, Father.
Masarap ngumiti. You love her smile. Okay? Mary Ann, ano naman ang nagustuhan mo kay Gerardo?
Ako na lang sasagot.
Teka, wala. Tapos ka na, pare.
Slowly, I'm fading slowly into evergreen.
Oo, nakayakap na kagad.
We last
Baka makawala pa eh.
Fading into memory, where we last forever.
50 years of fun, laughter, everything.
Jerry, do you affirm your married love and fidelity to Mary Ann before God and this community?
Yes, Father.
Mary Ann, do you affirm your married love and fidelity to Cherry before God and this community?
Yes, Father.
Open up and watch me turn around and let me know. Here we are again in the afterglow. We don't have to question
Let us imitate this kind of love that Jerry and Marian have for one another. Let us celebrate the love that we have for our spouses, our families. Let us recognize not only the beauty, but also the differences. In the differences, we can grow and find joy, just as we remain and find joy in God's love.
We hope that we can continue growing on, doing happy things for the rest of our lives.
Now, wala nang pipirmahan, but you will seal your covenant of love of 50 years with a golden kiss.